Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Aurora or the Aurora token today. It's been a while since I have covered this coin, so I thought I should cover it again since it's not doing that well. Anyways, so if we just look at the token, this is how it's doing as of now. It's not doing that well, and the first thing that comes to in my mind when I look at this chart and when I look at this chart, so this is basically near, and Aurora is operating in the near ecosystem. So if you look at here and here, both of them have a similar chart. So basically Aurora started to surge back in October of 2023. So if we look here, that is exactly what happened with the near, and both of them have a very similar price action. So uh, as of now, I think Aurora's recovery could actually depend on near. So if the near does recover, I think so will the Aurora slowly. So that is my first, I would say, that is my first analysis. Anyways, now moving on, if you don't know what Aurora is, it is an EVM compatible blockchain and ecosystem running as a decentralized layer 2 on the near protocol. It powers innovation such as Aurora Cloud, the infrastructure solution to onboard Web 2 businesses onto Web 3. It is an EVM implemented as a smart contract on Near protocol, which provides several advantages that include it is fully compatible with Ethereum, as you can see here. It runs on the Near protocol, which is one of the highest performing third generation layer 1 protocol, as you can see here. So all of the fees are basically paid in ETH, as you can see. If they were paid in Aurora would have a lot more demand, I would say. But unfortunately, they are paid in ETH, so nothing can be done anyways. Now it supports all Ethereum ecosystem tools and other things, as you can see here. Aurora has a protocol level meta transactions, which enables features such as gas transactions for end users. So that's pretty big one, and this is how it works. So for more, as you can see here, if we look here, it was basically created by Near's protocols team, which is, I would say, massive one, and it is a product that helps Ethereum users and dApps to easily move to Near blockchain, which is a big thing for the Near. And Near is basically trying to become one of the highly scalable blockchain out there. Anyways, now if we talk about the tokenomics of the Aurora token, it has the max supply of 1 billion, as you can see here, out of which around 618 million is in the circulation, and the rest will slowly come out. But again, I would say the biggest sell pressure that this coin had was from the investors, most likely. As of now, investors have received their token, so I think that's pretty good one. And beside that, there was also other sell pressure, most likely coming from their long-term incentives, basically for building their products, I believe, and some other things. And because of that, the token did basically went from like 34 cent to $34 to as low as 6.8 cent, which is a massive price crash, I would say. And at some point or at launch, it did have a massive demand of above $600 million, which is a lot. And as of now, it's only at 42 million. So I think this should be the realistic market cap that it has as of now. Now they have different products. The first one would be that it is the network of virtual chains, as you can see here. These are fully customizable EVM compatible chains that run as smart contracts on Near, and virtual chains offer developers the scalability and speed they need. So basically, this is how it looks like. They are a bit different from layer 2s and layer 3s. They inherit all values from the mother chain, which would be Ethereum, or I'm not sure which would be Near. Anyways, now they have cross contracts calls, they have other things. Now the biggest thing as of now would be the Turbo chain launched on Aurora. So Turbo is one of the meme tokens, and they also are building on Aurora, so that could be pretty interesting for the Aurora itself. And they also have something called Aurora Cloud as well, as you can see here. They also have Aurora Plus, which is their app, which offers different features such as swaps, and you can also stake the Aurora token and get rewards in Aurora as well as their partners projects as well. So that's pretty good, I would say. And these are the different apps or the ecosystem apps they have as of now. They do have a lot of support, so you can see here. So I would say that's pretty good. And you can also do the bridge from Ethereum, bridge from Near, and so you can do a lot of things on the Aurora Plus as well. Now last but not least, they have their own wallet called Aurora Pass, which they just launched, as you can see here. It has a pretty good download, over 50k on Google Play and more on App Store as well, so I would say that's pretty good. Now I could not actually launch the charts on the blockchain, and that could have helped to see the demand overall on the Aurora blockchain, but unfortunately it did not load. Anyways, if we look at the TVL is suffering as well. As you can see here, at some point it was above 1.2 billion and now it's around 10 million, so it's not a lot. And as of now it's just flat, as you can see here. There is no recovery, or there is no sign of recovery or anything. It's just flat around 10 million. And if we look at the ecosystem and the DEX volume are not doing that good as well. As you can see, most of it seems to be going down, but there are some exceptions such as this Rift Finance and others that are slowly getting some TVL on the Aurora as well. Anyways, now coming to the last section, which would be its price section. So let's talk about its price section and what is going on here. So I think the base support, of course, is here around 5 cent to 4.7. That is the best price to buy this coin, and that could be, if the market does go down, that could be, I would say, the best entry for this coin. And if the BTC crashes and all of the others do go down, this could be a pretty interesting point to buy. Anyways, if we just look at as of now how it's doing, so the coin has been, I would say, it is holding this level pretty well. If you just look here, so this also seems to be the pretty good support for this coin as well, around 6.7 to 6.3 also seems to be the pretty good entry point. So if you are interested in this coin, you can also get some entries and do the dollar cost average below till 6.3, or if you can wait a little bit, and if the market does go down, you can actually get it around 5 or around 4.7. That could be the pretty good entry for this coin as well. Now if it does wants to go up, I think the first thing that comes to in my mind would be that the Near itself actually needs to recover. So if the Near ends up going up, there's a high chance that the Aurora could actually go up as well. So basically, if Near does make a big move, like it goes up 10% or even higher than that, I think there's a high chance that this Aurora will most likely follow. And another thing would be that it breaks out from this downtrend that it has been. So if we just look at the daily chart, this is how it looks like. So this is a pretty, I would say, pretty strong downtrend that it has been in ever since December of 2024. So if it does breaks out from here, it could actually end up recovering pretty much, I would say. But again, it does needs to basically see some volume. As of now, it doesn't have that much volume, so I'm expecting if a Near does recover, there's a high chance that so will the Aurora. But if the market does go down, I'm expecting a retrace around 5 cent or like 4.7 or even around 6.3, the possibility. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back more. Thanks for watching.